An AI PC is a computer specifically designed and optimized to handle artificial intelligence tasks more efficiently than the traditional computers. These PCs incorporate specialized hardware and software to accelerate AI workloads such as machine learning, deep learning, and data analysis. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI PCs often include powerful graphic processing units, that is, GPUs, from companies like NVIDIA or AMD. GPUs are essential for parallel processing, which is critical for training and running AI models. Some AI PCs may feature tensor processing units, that is TPUs, or neural processing units, that is NPUs, which are specifically designed for AI computations. They are designed to have fast solid state drives, ample RAM to handle large data sets and high speed data access, and multi core and high performance central processing units, that is CPUs, to support AI operations. AI PCs offer significantly more processing power through GPUs and specialized AI chips, enabling faster and more efficient training and inference to AI models. The architecture of AI PCs is optimized for parallel processing, making them much more efficient for tasks that require simultaneous computations. Intel and AMD, two major players in the PC hardware market, provide more inclusive and generalized definitions for what constitutes an AI PC, focusing on the presence and functionality of key hardware components rather than specific features like Microsoft's Copilot key. These definitions emphasize the integration of CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs, each equipped with AI acceleration capabilities. The trend towards incorporating CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs with specific AI acceleration capabilities in laptops marks a significant shift in the personal computing industry. Major laptop manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, Samsung, and Microsoft are actively integrating advanced processors from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm into their models. This inclusion reflects the growing demand for AI enhanced computing in consumer and business environments. At the same time, Apple is also introducing its advanced AI suite, dubbed Apple Intelligence, into Mac laptops and desktops, along with its integration into Mac OS Secure as well as iPad OS 18 and iOS 18 represents a significant stride in embedding AI capabilities directly into the operating system. Moving ahead, the shift towards executing AI workloads locally on laptops, utilizing on device NPUs, that is, neural processing units, rather than relying on cloud based processing, represents a significant trend in the evolution of personal computing. This approach highlights a growing emphasis on data security and privacy, as well as the desire for real time processing speeds. Let's look into today's headlines. Users soon be able to transfer photos directly from Google to Apple's cloud storage. As part of the Data Transfer Initiative, that is DTI, Apple and Google are offering a solution for transferring photos directly from Google Photos to iCloud Photos. The offering from Apple and Google will likely be rolled out over the next week. Currently, if a user wants to transfer pictures, they have to first download from Google Photos and then upload it on the Apple iCloud. This process is, however, going to be a lot easier with the direct transfer option. According to Apple, users can select the photos from iCloud and share permissions of media visibility with Google, which will appear in a new import from Google Album in the Photos app. UK-based Nothing manufacturing its CMF Phone 1 in India. British technology brand Nothing has announced that its latest budget smartphone, the CMF Phone 1, is being manufactured in India. Nothing recognizes India as a key market in its global strategy. Having aligned with the ongoing Make in India initiative, Nothing said that by manufacturing in India, it aims to deliver high quality, locally produced products. The CMF Phone 1's customizable design is said to be catering to the unique preferences and needs of the Indian market. Japan achieves staggering 402 terabyte per second data rate with commercial optical fiber. Japan's National Institute of Information and Communications Technology, that is NICT, in association with other institutes, has set a 402 terabytes per second data transfer record over commercially available optical fiber cables. The NICT and its partners were able to transmit signals through 1,505 channels over 50 kilometers, that is about 31 miles, of optic fiber cable for this experiment. A paper detailing this achievement was presented at the Optical Fiber Communication Conference 2024. ED arrests Amtech's Arvind Dham in rupees 25,000 crore money laundering case. The Enforcement Directorate has arrested Arvind Dham, promoter of Amtech Group, in relation with a money laundering probe for alleged bank fraud to the tune of rupees 25,000 crore. A special PMLA, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act, court has granted Dham 7 days in custody. Searches were conducted by the agency last month at around 35 locations in Delhi NCR, Mumbai and Nagpur as part of its money laundering probe. Accenture to expand silicon design capabilities with acquisition of Cientra. Accenture has acquired Cientra, a silicon design and engineering services company. The terms of the acquisition are, however, not disclosed. Founded in 2015, Cientra brings consulting expertise in embedded IoT and application-specific integrated circuit design and verification capabilities. This will augment Accenture's silicon design experience and further enhance its ability to help clients accelerate semiconductor innovation required to support growing data computing needs. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.